Well, we have a Subaru with the key stuck in it. This is a 2015 Crosstrek or something. I am not a Subaru mechanic, but I dated one once. No, I didn't. But anyway, so this is Mommy's car. I'm gonna try not to like break any clips. Not any clips. That's a Mitsubishi, right? I'm gonna try not to mess up any clips or anything. What's happening is this thing has a, from the multiple things I've read online, it's either a shift plate sensor or something, or a park, what did they call that? A park range cylinder, park position solenoid. But anyway, so the part that's bad is actually under here, and Subaru apparently is known for it, especially these I think it was 2011 through 2018 maybe. This car only has like 60 some thousand miles on it. This should definitely not be happening on a car like this. It should, in my opinion, be a factory recall. It's not. I checked, believe me. However, there is a simple fix for it without buying a part. What happens is this right here sends an electronic signal up to here that won't let the key come out. It locks it into place. That's the park range solenoid, or whatever the crap it's called, relay, whatever it is, it's under here. So it sends the signal, like you'll put, half the time this works, half the time it doesn't. Anyway, Subaru, they do sell an upgraded, hey, we goofed up, but now you can buy the part replacement for it. I don't even think they sell the original equipment. They sell an upgraded original equipment, I guess, but you know. So the thing of it is, there's a wire, I think it's one wire, that plugs in right here on your key and switch. So it looks like you can't get to it, but if you look right here, if you turn the turn signal, if you turn the steering wheel in such a place, there's one screw there, there's one back here, if you can see it, and it's like right, nope, that's, yep, see that right there, right there. So what I'm going to do is hopefully take these two screws out and perform some sort of voodoo magic, pop this sucker down, and we're going to unplug a certain wire, and then it shouldn't stick and it shouldn't affect anything else. I'll show you which one whenever I get this cover off. All right, give me just a second. All right, so I worked my voodoo magic. As you can see, I turned the steering wheel this way to get to this screw. They're Phillips head, they're not bad. Now the wire is this feller right there. See him right there? Let's see, how do you disconnect that feller? Ooh. Looks like you pick at it, you scratch it, what do you do with it? I brought a flathead, didn't I? Come on, self, what'd you do with it? This just proves none of my stuff is rehearsed at all. I'm a train wreck all the time. So, I'm pretty sure, let's look at him like this. Just look at him. Let's see. Oh, there it is. There is a little thing you push in right there, a little tab. Push it in right there. Now, let's see if I'm right. Well, let's start. There she goes. The proof is in the pudding. She starts. No check engine lights, no, hey, what'd you do to me going on? None of it. So we're good with that. Going to take it on a test drive. Mommy wants me to take it on a test drive, so we're going to do that. But nonetheless, if you are removing this, be real careful. See these little tiny clips right here? If you push it at the, I think I pushed in maybe the top, just a little bit, to get those things off of those little clippy looking things there, little Wolverine looking things. So anyway, if you got this going on your car, that's what's going on with it. This car here has, I'm wrong, it has 70,000 miles on it, but it probably started within the 60s. I just haven't had time. No, it just started it. But from everything that I've seen, Subaru WRX, and the key comes out, I'm sorry. The WRXs, the Outbacks, the crosstreks, and whatever other line of vehicles Subaru has, because I'm not familiar with them all. If you're having this problem, like before, I'd shut the car off, the key wouldn't come out. I'd slam it back in park, key would come out. You'd have to play with it a little bit. I've read articles where people are actually leaving the keys in it. Now, I live out here in the country. I probably don't have to worry about it a lot, especially since it stays inside a locked garage. But nonetheless, Mama wanted it fixed, and I don't know how much that part is at the dealer. I've read multiple things, and once I found out that this would work by just connecting it, that's free. That literally took me 5 minutes. That's not even a joke. And it wasn't that bad at all. So I'm gonna take it on a test drive. I don't foresee any issues happening from this whatsoever. If it does, I'll make sure and say, hey, never mind, don't do that. But I don't see any issues happening with this. I think she's going to be great. I think the hardest thing is going to be putting that little cover over the key and tumbler again. Dang it. Hopefully not. Wish me luck. But, oh, you like that glittery hat? No, I'm not a Liberace fan. I am going to paint my 69 Camaro gold with black stripes, so I thought, why not have a hat to fit it? Why not? It just makes sense, right? So, you know, she's going to be Olympic gold, black stripes, and gorgeous. And a Z28 clone, yes again. Since it's been Z28 clone at least 97.8% of its life, you know, might as well keep on going with it. But anyway, if you have a Subaru, key's getting stuck, all you gotta do is watch this, and you'll be good to go. You heard it start, it's going to start. So that's the only thing I really can guarantee. But anyway, the real problem was in that shifting mechanism. It's a park position sensor, solenoid, something. If you want to do it the right way, go ahead and do that. I'm not sure on what it costs and all this kind of stuff. The word for 2021 is shortage. I'm sure it would take at least 8 months to get the part. So if you don't want to wait 8 months to get your key out of the ignition, you can do that trick right there. It's going to work. So as always, thanks for watching, guys. And if you don't mind, it's right. Is it there? There? Somewhere in there. Hit that subscribe button, and I'd appreciate it. Again, thanks to all you guys for watching. Y'all have a good weekend.